I can do a little game with the puzzle. Oh my. I can help you. Thank you, Big Ugly Hand.
Hello, hello! These are pages 24 and 25 in the Let's Go 3 workbook. And our first part today just says, look and circle. So we have some ways that people can get around, how they can go. Let's try to remember all of the ones that we had in our student book.
By car.
By bike.
On foot.
By bus.
By taxi.
By train.
All right, and now let's look at the picture and circle the right one. So does this picture show going by train or going by bus? Oh, this is a bus. There's a wheel right there. So we'll pick by bus. Number 2, by bike or by train. That is a bike. Number 3, are they going by car or going by bus? This is a car, so we'll circle by car. And number 4, is he going by taxi or going on foot? He's walking, so that means on foot. He's going on foot. Part A is done. Okay, this is part B, and it says connect and write. So we're just gonna trace the line they already put for us and then make a sentence about how each person is moving or how they are going. And the question and the answer pattern looked like this in the student book. All right, let's do some connecting and writing. We'll start with her. How's she going to school? And we're curious not about the place that they are going, but we want to know how they are moving. How can be used for an amount, like how much is this? Or an age, like how old are you? Or in this case, we're using how to ask about a method, how something's done. So she's going, this is a car, so I'll write her method is by car. She's going by car. Next one's a boy, so how's he going to school? Trace the line, and this is a bus. So how's he? So he's. How's he going? So we say going to. He's going. We don't need to say to because we're not wondering about where, we're wondering about how. So we're going to use by. He's going by bus. Okay, number 3. How's she going to school? Trace her line. This is a taxi, so we can say she's going by taxi. Nice. And the last one is this boy here. So they used he. How is he going to school? Trace the line. And we'll start again with he's going by bike. And part B is done. Nice job. Okay, this is part C. It says look and write, and we have to do 2 things this time. We have to use the place question, where's he, she going, that we learned in the last page, and then we have to find out the method. How's she going there? How's he going there? So we're gonna be using both of them. Okay, and we have to remember that when we use the place, when we wanna find out which place it is, we're gonna use where, and we're also going to be using to. And if we're using how, we don't care about the place, so we don't have to use to. All right, let's start. Number 1. Where's she going? Well, she's going to, I see some bread and some cans. That is the store. She's going to the store. How is she going there? Is she walking? Is she taking a taxi? Is she flying on the back of an eagle? No, she's going by bus. She took the bus. All right, the next one is this boy. So the question became, where's he going? So we'll start with he. Because it's where's, we have to say he's, then going. All right, he's going, and it's a place, so we're gonna say to, and this is school. He's going to school. And it looks like he's in America. There's an American flag. How's he going there? Again, he's going. Now look at how. Well, he's riding a bike, so we can say by bike. Okay, move this up a little bit so we can see the next ones. There we go. Next one is a man. And so the question says, where's he going? All right, again, he's going. I want to know a place, so we'll use to. He's going to, and this sign says Al's car repair. And then there is an air pump here to pump up your tires. And there's some big tools and stuff in here. So I think this is a repair shop. So we'll say the repair, R-E-P-A-I-R, shop. He's going to the repair shop. How's he going there? He's going by car. Okay. Number 4 is about this woman, and it asks, where's she going? So first we'll put in she's going. And it says clinic right here. So we definitely need to the clinic. The next question, how's she going there? Is she walking? Is she riding a bike? Is she flying in a plane? Whoops, and I just wrote the question again. Silly Mike. All right, how's she going there? So she's going by taxi. She took a taxi. All right, we got 2 more left to do. The last 2. This is about this man. So where's he going? All right, he's going to. He's going to. Oh, a little harder, but if we look here, we can see that it's O-F-F-I-C. So this is the office. He's going to work. He's going to the office. Okay, how is he going there? Well, he's going by train. Here are the rails for the train. He's going by train. Okay, the last one is this girl. So where is she going? So the answer is she's going. That's a place, so we need to say to. She's going to cakes, cupcakes, bread, sign, the bakery. How's she going there? All right, one more time. She's going. And she's walking, so instead of saying by walking, we're going to say on foot. She's going on foot. And we are done. Wonderful job. Good work, everybody.